Hi there, my name is Radwila.
And my name is Lucas, and together we are Twentynine Studio. In this channel, we will share stuff that inspires us and empowers others to achieve more.
And today we're gonna share with you 5 steps we recommend in order to start a business with your partner. This is our very first video, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more.
So, let's dive in.
Come on. From the very first day, we have started Twentynine as a true partnership built on our mutual desire to do things we are passionate about and to live a life that we love.
But when we tell people that we started this business together, they have loads of different responses. A surprisingly high number of people are saying that they couldn't even imagine working with their partner day in and day out. That's why we thought of sharing a few steps that we took in case you're thinking about opening up your business with your partner.
So the first one, be honest with each other. For your partnership to work, both of you must feel comfortable while expressing your opinions and thoughts on certain things. Don't play any guessing games or hide your emotions. Talk about things and move on, as being mad all day is just a time waste, trust me.
So the second one is to clearly define each other's roles and responsibilities. This means that you need to write job descriptions for yourselves and set clear expectations about who will take on which tasks of the business. This will help to eliminate any disagreements with the overall workflow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Big city life.
For example, I like to plan things ahead, so my role at Twentynine Studio is planner, while Radwila takes care of customer service.
Third one, brainstorm together. Well, probably you have heard that 2 heads are better than 1, so don't get stuck. Take time, sit down and brainstorm together, so you can offer suggestions for each other to complete your task quicker. For example, when we do brand strategy or product video, we always sit together, brainstorm all the things related to a given word, so we can present that thing in the best shape or form.
The fourth one is to spend time outside the office. Well, we all understand that it's kind of hard to leave it at the office when your office is home. It's not all about the business. You need to remember to spend time together, like going out for a walk or to the restaurant, or even have a hobby that interests both of you.
Fifth one, celebrate your wins. It is important to take a step back and enjoy the work you have done. It can also increase your visibility or inspire others if you share your stories online.
To sum up, we want to say that figuring out all these things from the beginning
can be a game changer. Be honest with each other.
Clearly define roles and responsibilities.
Brainstorm together.
Spend time outside the office.
Celebrate your wins. Comment down below tips for people who are starting business with their partner. Hope you guys enjoyed our very first video and
see you on the next one.